Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for everyone of you for being here today at this wonderful place. My name is Thomas Rivaldo Silaban. It is such an honor for me to speak on behalf of the organizer. Let me begin by giving you a warm welcome to why should humans explore the planet Mars space. This Mars is like a next door neighbor nearest to Earth. Because of its proximity, the planet Mars is the most explored exterior object of all time than the Moon. You have known for decades humans have sent drones to observe the red planet. But do you ever wonder why humans continue to explore the planet Mars? Ladies and gentlemen, the reason why should humans explore the Mars, the first is natural laboratory is closer to the Earth. Man's curiosity about the universe is enormous. That's why they are interested in learning everything inside, including why each planet has different surface and different atmosphere. To understand this, of course, each planet must be studied one at a time because Mars is the closer to Earth. Then Mars is the first subject to be studied from composition atmosphere. To why the planet is so dry and dusty. Mars is like a natural laboratory closer to Earth. Mars is also highly accessible. It only takes about 6 months to get to the surface of Mars. Compared to other planets, this distance falls with the great distance it allows humans to continue to explore the planet Mars. By studying the planet Mars, it is hoped the man will be able to understand the true origin of the universe. Ladies and gentlemen, the surface is more friendly. Apart from Mars, Venus is a planet that is close to Earth. Then why do people go to Mars all the time and never go to Venus? Well, because of the surface of Mars is more friendly with all objects man-made. If humans were to deliver rockets or aircraft to Venus and Mercury, the atmosphere of these two very dangerous planets could make a human plan as sophisticated and powerful as possible. Isn't it scary? Ladies and gentlemen, the threat and object to study the evolution of the planets. How the universe formed remains a mystery to this day. Scientists believe the form of the universe and everything in it have undergone evolution since it first formed billions of years ago. It is believed that the early shape of the universe was the irregular rock that eventually formed the planet as a result of the rising heat of the sun. By studying the history of the planet Mars, scientists hope the human can predict the evolution of the planet in the future. This is one of the reasons why humans continue to explore the planet Mars. Not only Mars, the Earth has also been explored by scientists of the MIHOS. That doesn't mean humans are just exploring Mars, we are learning our own planet. Obviously, before Mars, Earth was the first planet they would examine. Ladies and gentlemen, the fourth, one of the doubles of the Earth. Venus, Earth, and Mars are like triplets. They look very similar in size. Not only that, unlike Venus, which is full of poisonous gas impossible to humans, contrast the condition of Mars 3 to 4 billion years ago, believed to be actually are the same as Earth today. The same is true of evolution. Unfortunately, the evolution of the planet Mars was so weak that the rocks on the surface have survived to this day. In contrast with the Earth, in the evolutionary process, it already all those ancient rocks to friendly home of man. By studying the planet Mars, scientists hope the humans can get idea of what it was like in the past and what it will be like to give life. Consolation. The exploration and observation of Mars seem to be continuing in the future years. Man himself is ambitious to make Mars the next planet for habitation. When the Earth gets older, the reason why humans continue to explore the planet Mars is to research the habitable properties of the planet. That is all for me. Thank you very much for listening.